Hello, everyone, and welcome to Financial Insights Day 3 coverage at Investing in Mining Indaba right here in Cape Town. I'm sitting down with a representative from Ecobank Zambia, and we're going to talk a little bit about why Ecobank are at Mining Indaba. Allow me to welcome Richard. Richard, how are you?
I'm very well, thanks, Mola. Thank you for welcoming me to Financial Insight, and thank you to everybody who's joining us. Thank you.
Absolutely. So, Richard, this is the first time that you've been on the platform. Are you able to tell us about your role as head of corporate banking?
Okay, so thank you very much. So I'm the head of corporate banking in Zambia. Basically, I coordinate all the corporate business in Zambia. So we're dealing with the multinationals, the medium corporates, as well as the Zambian local corporates. So what we tend to do from the corporate aspect is to get the product to the customer, to get the product to the client through a relationship management, which is more tailored and more like a consultant. It's one that takes banking over and above you just walking into the banking hall to a point where we're like partners. Basically, that's what I do. So I head that department and I coordinate that.
Right, fantastic, fantastic. Now, let's get right to it. Obviously, Ecobank are at Mining Indaba. Why is Ecobank participating in the 2026 edition of Mining Indaba?
Okay, thank you very much for that. I think that's something we've thought about. I think the simple answer is, look, if you look at Mining Indaba, it basically brings together organizations that shape the future of mining in Africa. Okay? We're a Pan-African bank, and we're basically saying if there's a gathering that's shaping the future of mining in Africa, we want to be there. We want to be part of that. I think in simple terms, that's why we're here at the Mining Indaba.
Right. Now, as Financial Insight, we've noted that obviously Ecobank Group are at Mining Indaba. What is the benefit of having them, attend at group level in events like this?
Thank you very much. So I think this year we've actually gone all out. We've pretty much ensured that our attendance here at Mining Indaba is coordinated by group. And I think what we want to do is fundamentally tap into the synergies. So we're coming here and looking at customers that may require a solution across borders. We're basically saying there's no better way than having key players, my counterparts, represented here. So if we've got a transaction that is initiating here, we can put structure to it. We can discuss the details. We can agree the timeline and actually incorporate other people. So when we deliver a solution, it's seamless, it's quick, and covers all the borders. So the group is here to ensure that we can actually do that. We can actually work together and have a timely delivery of a solution where it covers multi-countries that are associated with transactions. So that's the reason why group is here.
Right, and also because we've noticed that you are obviously from Zambia. What sort of value are you getting as Ecobank Zambia from coming to Mining Indaba?
That's a very good question.
Yeah.
So I think in terms of Ecobank Zambia, I would say this Mining Indaba has been special for Zambia. Okay, let me start with some of the stats that I've actually been able to see.
Right.
I think the stats that I've seen this far, there's over 250 Zambian delegates that are participating in this Mining Indaba this year. Okay, so that's special already.
Yes.
But it's more special by the fact that the keynote speech was given by His Excellency Hakainde Hichilema.
Yes.
I know, very good keynote speech. So it's been special from that end. And if you look at the matters that were brought up by His Excellency, in the recent past, I think we've done Zambia as a nation, $12 billion that have been closed has come in as investments. We've seen, I think, the copper production 2024 going up, by 12% and then going up by 8% in 2025, which is a good thing. So we're basically saying at Zambia, Ecobank Zambia, that's really where the action is.
Right.
That's where the action is. So we are here as Zambia to get value because mining right now is very key to Zambia.
Correct.
So if you look at the bigger picture that the president has been looking at, the 3 million tons, we're saying we'll be a partner for that. We'll be the partner that helps in delivering that 3 million in 10 years. So Ecobank Zambia is here to ensure that we're a partner. We're a partner for the economy. Delivering 3 million tons, I think, has beneficial things that will come with it. It's more jobs, it's more tax revenue. And Ecobank, as a Pan-African bank, I'd indicated earlier on, in 34 countries, we want to make sure that in those countries where we are, we actually have an impact. And no better way in Zambia than being part of the mining ecosystem as a partner and help deliver that 3 million tons. Fundamentally, that's what we have as Ecobank Zambia.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Richard, for sharing your insights from Ecobank Zambia.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So you've heard it for yourself. We've been speaking to an executive from Ecobank Zambia. So stay tuned for more insights as we bring you coverage from Mining Indaba 2026. I have been your host for this interview, Mwelo Chvesakunda, and as we always say at Financial Insight, get to know.